Giving back to the community is very important for Bristol County Savings Bank. It's our way of helping to make our community a better place to live and to work. The bank's a mutual community bank, and what that really means is we don't have any shareholders. The community is our stakeholder, and so that gives us the opportunity to really focus on helping the community with our financial support, as well as our staff and employees volunteering their time in the community for nonprofits, schools, and other organizations like that. What excites me, especially with my role, we get to go out and actually work with community leaders and community organizations and figure out what are the emerging needs of the community, what are the issues, and how can we help? Whether that's issues with financial literacy, whether it's issues with food insecurity, housing, jobs, working with folks in order to try to solve those problems is what I find the most rewarding thing and what I enjoy the most.